How to master gyroscope in standoff 2. You can just keep dragging your thumb right and left, but that ain't gonna clutch a lobby or give a title of his. So buckle up my friends, here's the video that you wanted all this time. Only 27% of you are actually my subscribers. Consider subscribing, it's absolutely free. Open your thumb and the index finger. First thing first, you need to have good grip on your phone to control the gyroscope. So this is how you need to hold. Close the last two fingers supporting by the center finger and the index finger on the top, and it should look something like this, and then slightly adjust your mobile phone as per you feel comfortable. How does a gyroscope actually works in a game? Instead of our thumb, we use the mobile to tilt left and right to control the crosshair. Here is a drill that will help you out to improve your gyroscope. Try to hit few targets without using your thumb, only by tilting the phone. Second drill is called as aim tracing. This drill will help you to control the sensitivity of your thumb and the gyro. Here you are trying to find the perfect balance between the gyro and your thumb. Trick is that to use the thumb for micro adjustments and to do the rest of the movement with the gyro. This drill will help you to improve your aim when you are moving, as well as adjusting your aim for shooting. We already saw how to shoot a moving target. This will help you to shoot the target while dodging the bullet. Keep your crosshair to the head of the target and shoot whenever you reach either end of the edge. Now I'll show you where exactly the gyro will help you out. So this clip will help you to understand why we need gyro at certain situations. When you have to quickly turn and shoot the enemy, there is no better thing left than a gyro. Here are the settings that you need to do. First of all, do it to always. Start with the sensitivity 1 itself. Scope sensitivity to the 30. Keep frequency to the 60 Hz.